So we start today the chapter of center of mass. Often you have seen that while we were studying the Newton's laws of motion and a body was placed on an inclined plane, we were drawing the force components as mg from here, okay, and after that this one is mg cos theta, and then this one is mg sin theta, and rest of the components you know what are the components. That is the frictional force, the normal reaction, and all these things. Have you any time seen that we are drawing the value of mg from here, or we are drawing the value of mg from here? No, we have never done. We are always drawing the point from the center of that very particular body. So what is the center of mass? Center of mass is an hypothetical point. Again I repeat, center of mass is an hypothetical point. Is a hypothetical point where we assume that the entire mass is supposed to be concentrated. So see, whether we are taking a rectangular body over here, or we are taking a cylindrical body over here, or we are least bothered that what is the nature of the shape and size of the body. We are only drawing the force component. This one is the mg, that one is the mg sin theta, that one is mg cos theta. Means we are talking of a point mass, okay, and that point mass is sliding down the plane, and we are drawing the force components at that very particular body. So we are practically doing over here that we are taking this rectangular body to be a point mass, and we are drawing these force components over here. So in the center of mass, so suppose if x and y with this axis, this is x axis, this is y axis, and there is a system of a body, and the system of body is composed of two masses. Let this mass be m2 and this mass be m1. And the position vector of this mass is r1, and the position vector of this mass is r2, and the entire mass, this entire system, the center of mass of this entire system is over here, that is the point P, which is lying at a distance r from the origin. Then this RCM, how we are going to calculate is that the total mass of the system is m1 plus m2, and the entire mass is supposed to be concentrated at this point P. We are supposing, we are just means hypothetically taking that this entire mass is at the point P, and this one is at a distance of r from here, and that is equal to m1 into the position vector of this one is r1, and m2, and the position vector of this one is r2. So RCM is equal to m1 into r1 plus m2 into r2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now suppose we are dividing the bodies of n number of masses, m1, m2, m3, m4, mn, and m1 is at a distance of r2, this is at a distance of r3, this one is at a distance of rn. Then RCM will be accordingly m1 into r1 plus m2 into r2 plus mn into rn whole divided by m1 plus m2 plus mn. Understood?